Move-in ready and beautifully maintained. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home offers peace of mind with numerous updates and a comfortable layout designed for easy Florida living. The home features a new roof, 2020, solar panels installed in 2023, to be paid off at closing, an updated electrical panel, 2022, AC, 2019, repiped plumbing, 2006, new windows, 2004, and fresh exterior paint, 2021. Inside, you will find a light, open feel with tile flooring throughout, a kitchen with solid wood cabinets and granite countertops, and bathrooms with granite counters and newer vanities. The spacious primary bedroom includes a walk-in closet for added storage. Enjoy Florida's outdoor lifestyle on the screened-in back porch or the open patio beyond the lanai, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. With major systems already updated and energy-efficient solar power, this home is ready for its next owner to move right in and start enjoying it. Ideally located in the sought-after Gulf Gate community, you'll enjoy nearby Gulf Gate Village with its wide variety of restaurants, bars, and unique shops. Additional shopping options like Costco, Target, and Lowe's are just minutes away. For outdoor fun, you're close to the world-famous Siesta Key Beach and Village as well as the Legacy Trail, a popular rails-to-trails pathway connecting Venice to downtown Sarasota.